Hey everybody, Ricky here with Apple Valley Farm. Today we have an unboxing and we're going to be looking at this 5-piece silence combination countersink drill bit set from Toolant, and I cannot wait to get my hands on it. I was chatting with the folks at Toolant, and like the very next day I got these in the mail. I mean, when I went and got the package, I didn't even know what it was. They sent them so fast. So to be honest, I didn't know much about Toolant, but when they sent these so quickly, I thought, whoa, these guys are serious. So we will get into, in another video, a more detailed, in-depth look at this drill bit set. But right now, I really just want to take a look at them and give you my first impression of them as we open these up and take them out of the box. Got some really simple instructions here. They're clearly marked. By the way, these are number 4, 6, 8, 10, and 12. I see that the collet can be moved up and down, or actually the drill bit can be moved up and down inside here. Comes with an Allen wrench, extra drill bits, what? And extra set screws, what? This is, these guys are not playing around. I am very impressed. Let's get one out and take a look at it a little closer. All right, here's the number 4. It is very well made. I like that it is one solid piece of steel. Again, I see that it's very clearly marked. The bit looks good. 1/4-inch shank. There's no reason for me to think that this is not going to perform well. I think this was a great unboxing. All right, like I said, we're gonna get into a more detailed, in-depth video about how to use these, how they perform, how they sound. Do they chatter? Do they seem sharp? I wanna put it through some paces. I wanna do some interesting little things. Let's just see how they are. But overall, my first impression of the Toolant countersink drill bit set, I'm very impressed. Very impressed. I cannot wait to get this in the tool and see how it works. Hey, thanks a lot for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you got something out of it. And if you're curious about Toolant or where you can go buy a set of your own, I will leave a link in the notes so you can go grab a set for yourself. As always, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. We would love to have you here on a regular basis. We're doing things like this all the time. Thank you. Have a great day. Talk to you soon.